I've just got a new paper with Ilford. It's Cotton Artist Textured. I did a scan and created a printer profile, and I had a few problems with it. So I'll show you what the problems were and what I had to do. So I'm going to open the grapher first. This is a program called Chromix Color Think Pro. I'm going to bring up the profile that I originally made using my i1 Pro 2 profile maker. So I'm going to search for the Cotton Artist Textured, and what this does, it's a 3D graph that you can spin and turn around, and it'll show the ability of a paper to show darks. The closer to the bottom axis is the darker, the closer to the top is the ability to show white, and from the top you've got various colors: yellow, red, blue, green, etc. Not red, but cyan. Now the further out they go, the more saturated the color. So you can see we've got a fairly saturated yellow here. Now the problem I had with this particular profile was all of these lumps and bumps that you can see here. Generally, a profile should be fairly smooth, but for some reason the scan I did on the sample gave me a lot of issues. I didn't pick this up until I did a test print, and I noticed that the print had a lot of issues in areas with these colors because it's really not uniform. So I thought there's something wrong. I rescanned using the original printout, but that was no good. So I went back to the printer on my Epson 3880. I did a couple of nozzle checks, did a couple of head cleanings. That was all fine, so I reprinted the test targets and rescanned them. So I'll show you the difference now. So this is the new one, the new scan target. So what I'll do here, I'll turn it into a wireframe, and you can see directly this is the same paper, same ink, same printer. It's just a rescan. This is the result of a bad profile. So everything is exactly the same, but you can see this is my new profile, and you can see that the greens, the yellows going through to the reds have got greater coverage, and that's where my problem lay. So sometimes when you have issues with printers, it can be the profile themselves, whether it's one you create yourself, whether it's a manufacturer's canned one. It's just the luck of the draw, really. So hopefully this will illustrate some problems that can occur. Catch you.